Hi. Today I'm going to tell you 100 sleepy facts about the Bermuda Triangle, perfect if you want to relax a bit and learn something interesting about this mysterious place. Enjoy listening. 1. The Bermuda Triangle is a region in the Atlantic Ocean. It is roughly bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. The area covers about 500,000 square miles. It is famous for mysterious disappearances of ships and aircraft. 2. The Bermuda Triangle is sometimes called the Devil's Triangle. This nickname comes from the unexplained vanishings reported there. It has inspired legends, books, and movies. Despite the name, scientific studies attempt to find logical explanations. 3. The first reported incidents date back to the 19th century. Early records mention lost ships and cargo vessels. Sailors described sudden storms, compass malfunctions, and unusual phenomena. Documentation increased with the rise of air travel. 4. Flight 19 is one of the most famous Bermuda Triangle mysteries. In 1945, 5 U.S. Navy bombers disappeared during a training flight. The rescue plane sent to find them also vanished. This incident amplified the triangle's reputation worldwide. 5. The Bermuda Triangle has experienced strange compass variations. Navigators have reported compasses behaving erratically. Magnetic anomalies might explain some navigation issues. These variations can confuse pilots and sailors. 6. Rogue waves may contribute to ship disappearances. Gigantic, sudden waves can swamp or capsize vessels. Some waves in the triangle are estimated to reach 100 feet high. Rogue waves are a natural hazard of open oceans. 7. Sudden storms are common in the Bermuda Triangle. Tropical storms and hurricanes frequently pass through the area. These severe weather events can appear rapidly and disappear quickly. Ships and planes caught in storms face dangerous conditions. 8. The Bermuda Triangle covers busy shipping and flight routes. Thousands of vessels and aircraft pass through annually. The area's traffic increases the probability of accidents. Despite legends, the percentage of incidents is not statistically higher than elsewhere. 9. Methane hydrates may play a role in some disappearances. Undersea methane gas pockets can erupt, reducing water density. Ships may sink quickly without warning. Methane release is one of several scientific explanations. 10. Human error is often involved in accidents. Navigational mistakes, miscommunication, and equipment failure contribute to losses. Many incidents previously deemed mysterious have logical explanations. Complex weather and ocean conditions exacerbate risks. 11. Electronic fog is a proposed explanation for aircraft disappearances. Some theories suggest strange electromagnetic fields interfere with instruments. Pilots report sudden disorientation and instrument failure. This concept remains controversial and lacks concrete evidence. 12. Many Bermuda Triangle stories are exaggerated or fictional. Books, movies, and media sensationalize events. Some reported incidents have been misreported or never occurred. Critical investigation often reduces mystery. 13. The U.S. Board on Geographic Names does not recognize the Bermuda Triangle as an official area. It is considered an informal name used in popular culture. Government agencies track incidents without attributing them to supernatural causes. Scientific studies focus on natural hazards. 14. Ocean currents can rapidly move wreckage out of sight. The Gulf Stream flows through the region, carrying debris far from accident sites. This complicates search and rescue operations. Missing vessels may be lost due to natural ocean movement. 15. Some reports describe unusual lights over the Bermuda Triangle. Sightings of glowing orbs or flashes are part of local folklore. Scientists suggest ball lightning, reflections, or human perception as explanations. These lights contribute to the area's mystique. 16. The Bermuda Triangle is located near the Sargasso Sea. The Sargasso Sea is known for its floating seaweed, calm waters, and unique ecosystem. Dense sargassum can entangle smaller boats. This environment may confuse or hinder navigation. 17. Hurricanes frequently impact the triangle. The region is part of the Atlantic hurricane belt. Seasonal hurricanes can destroy ships and planes. Early warning systems now reduce risk, but sudden storms remain dangerous. 18. Some researchers propose magnetic anomalies in the ocean floor. These anomalies may affect compasses and navigation instruments. Local geology includes underwater formations that could contribute. While speculative, it provides a possible natural explanation. 19. Many disappearances occurred before the term Bermuda Triangle was popularized. The area's notoriety grew in the mid-20th century. Authors like Vincent Gaddis and Charles Berlitz promoted the idea of mysterious vanishings. Early cases were later investigated scientifically. 20. Radar failures may explain some airplane disappearances. 21. Some disappearances involve entire crews. Ships and planes sometimes vanish without a trace. Crew members are never found, leaving families and investigators puzzled. Such incidents add to the triangle's mysterious reputation. 22. Debris is rarely recovered in the Bermuda Triangle. Strong currents and deep waters carry wreckage away. Even if vessels sink, floating materials may drift for miles. This makes investigation and recovery extremely difficult. 23. Underwater topography may play a role in accidents. The ocean floor has deep trenches and sudden drops. Ships can be lost if they encounter unexpected underwater features. Steep slopes may also generate strong underwater currents. 24. Some pilots report strange weather changes. Clear skies can suddenly turn into violent storms. Rapid weather shifts are common in tropical regions. These sudden changes can confuse pilots and lead to accidents. 25. Some ships disappear during calm weather. Not all incidents involve storms. Some vessels vanish in seemingly peaceful conditions. Scientists suggest hidden currents, gas eruptions, or navigational errors as possible causes. 26. Submarine activity may contribute to reported mysteries. During World War II, military exercises occurred in the area. Some missing ships may have been misattributed or involved in classified missions. Historical context is important when investigating incidents. 27. The Bermuda Triangle has inspired countless conspiracy theories. Theories include aliens, time warps, and portals to other dimensions. None of these claims have credible evidence. Popular culture often amplifies speculative stories. 28. Some disappearances involve small private vessels. Yachts and fishing boats have vanished while crossing the triangle. Lack of experience, insufficient equipment, or sudden weather may explain losses. Small craft are more vulnerable than large ships. 29. The triangle is a hotspot for commercial flights. Planes traveling between Florida, the Caribbean, and Bermuda pass through regularly. Despite high traffic, incidents remain rare. Statistics suggest that the Bermuda Triangle is not unusually dangerous. 30. Some scientists attribute incidents to human imagination. Stories grow with retellings and exaggerations. Witness reports may be influenced by fear or expectation. Skeptical studies highlight the role of narrative over mystery. 31. Some incidents involve mechanical failures. Old or poorly maintained ships and planes are more susceptible to problems. Equipment failure in remote locations increases risk. Maintenance issues are often overlooked in sensationalized accounts. 32. The Gulf Stream influences navigation hazards. This powerful current moves at high speeds through the area. Ships and debris are carried away quickly, complicating rescue operations. The Gulf Stream contributes to the difficulty in locating missing vessels. 33. Sea monsters are a part of Bermuda Triangle folklore. Legends describe giant creatures attacking ships. No evidence supports the existence of such monsters. These tales reflect human fascination with the unknown. 34. The Triangle has been a focus of paranormal investigation. Ghost hunters and paranormal enthusiasts conduct expeditions. Devices are used to detect supposed anomalies. These investigations are often criticized for lack of scientific rigor. 35. Some disappearances involve multiple vehicles simultaneously. Planes and ships have vanished around the same time. Coordinated events fuel speculation about supernatural causes. Most incidents have alternative explanations, like weather or human error. 36. Icebergs are unlikely to cause most Bermuda Triangle accidents. The area is too warm for significant iceberg presence. Early theories suggested drifting ice might sink ships. Modern science rules out icebergs as a primary hazard. 37. Many Bermuda Triangle disappearances are resolved over time. Investigations sometimes reveal storms, mechanical issues, or human error. Misreporting and lack of evidence often exaggerate mystery. Scientific review reduces the unexplained percentage of incidents. 38. Oil and gas deposits under the ocean may create bubbles. Methane eruptions could lower water density, causing ships to sink. This theory explains sudden disappearances in calm waters. Laboratory experiments support the plausibility of this mechanism. 39. Bermuda Triangle legends are reinforced by media coverage. Books, documentaries, and films highlight mysterious cases. Public fascination amplifies attention and retellings. Media often prioritizes intrigue over scientific accuracy. 40. Navigation technology has reduced disappearances. Modern GPS, radar, and weather forecasting improve safety. Pilots and sailors can avoid hazards more effectively. Despite advanced technology, accidents still occur due to human error or extreme conditions. 41. Many missing vessels were later found or explained. Some ships presumed lost were discovered or documented later. Inaccurate reporting contributed to the Triangle's mysterious reputation. Careful investigation often solves these historical cases. 42. Electronic interference may affect aircraft navigation. Pilots have reported compass malfunctions and instrument failures. Some theories suggest localized magnetic anomalies. However, scientific evidence for significant interference is limited. 43. Sudden waterspouts can endanger small boats. Tornado-like waterspouts form quickly over the ocean. They can lift or capsize vessels in minutes. Sailors in the Bermuda Triangle report encountering these phenomena. 44. Some disappearances involve weather-related turbulence. Unpredictable storms and turbulence can overwhelm aircraft. Pilots may experience sudden drops, strong winds, and loss of control. Weather remains a major risk factor in the region. 45. The Triangle has historically been a busy trade route. From colonial times to modern shipping, vessels have navigated these waters. The high traffic increases exposure to natural hazards. Historical density partly explains the number of reported incidents. 46. Many Bermuda Triangle stories are anecdotal. Witness reports and second-hand accounts dominate the narrative. Lack of physical evidence fuels speculation. Anecdotal reporting often exaggerates the mystery. 47. Some theories suggest underwater earthquakes may be responsible. Seismic activity can trigger sudden waves or destabilize the ocean floor. Earthquakes may contribute to shipwrecks and vanishings. This is a plausible natural explanation for some incidents. 48. Submarines have also reported strange experiences. Naval submarines occasionally report unusual navigational anomalies. However, most are attributed to instrument or human error. These accounts add intrigue to the triangle's lore. 49. Some lost planes are never recovered. Deep ocean waters and strong currents make recovery challenging. Even with modern technology, wreckage can remain missing for decades. This fuels ongoing speculation. 50. The Bermuda Triangle intersects with tropical hurricane zones. Seasonal hurricanes pass through the area regularly. Intense winds and waves can destroy vessels. Awareness of hurricane patterns is crucial for navigation. 51. Ice is not a significant hazard in the triangle. Unlike northern oceans, tropical waters lack floating ice. Early reports mistakenly suggested icebergs might sink ships. This hazard is largely irrelevant to the region. 52. Many incidents occur near shallow reefs. Coral reefs and underwater rocks can damage or capsize ships. Shallow areas pose risks, especially during storms or poor visibility. Charts and GPS help modern navigation. 53. Strong underwater currents exist along the triangle. The Gulf Stream and other currents move debris and vessels. Currents complicate rescue operations and search efforts. Natural ocean movement explains some disappearances. 54. Some reports involve missing people rather than entire vessels. Individuals occasionally vanish from yachts or cruise ships. Investigations suggest accidents, overboard falls, or swimming incidents. Human error explains many cases. 55. Instrumentation errors can create navigational confusion. Faulty compasses or GPS devices contribute to accidents. Pilots and sailors may misinterpret readings. Modern equipment reduces risk but does not eliminate it. 56. Many Bermuda Triangle legends stem from sensationalist writing. Books in the 20th century popularized mysterious disappearances. Authors often exaggerated facts or included fictional events. These stories fueled public fascination. 57. Some flights encountered sudden fog or low visibility. Rapidly forming fog reduces pilot vision and orientation. Disorientation increases the likelihood of accidents. Weather anomalies are common in tropical and subtropical regions. 58. Some wrecks have been found far from their last known position. Strong currents and storms move debris over long distances. This complicates locating missing vessels. Misplaced wreckage contributes to mystery and confusion. 59. Some scientists study Bermuda Triangle disappearances statistically. Comparisons show the area's incident rate is not higher than other heavily traveled regions. Many mysteries are normal maritime and aviation risks. Statistics help separate myth from fact. 60. Popular culture often exaggerates the triangle's dangers. Movies, documentaries, and TV shows focus on drama over reality. Fictional depictions include aliens, portals, and sea monsters. Reality shows a combination of natural hazards and human error. 61. Some disappearances occurred during calm seas. Even without storms, ships have vanished mysteriously. Calm waters make sudden sinking events more puzzling. Natural explanations like methane eruptions or rogue waves may be involved. 62. Some triangle disappearances were misreported. Initial accounts were sometimes inaccurate or exaggerated. Over time, corrections clarified events. Misreporting contributed to the legend of unexplained vanishings. 63. Magnetic north anomalies can affect navigation. Compass readings may deviate slightly due to local magnetic variation. While usually minor, in combination with other factors, errors may occur. Sailors must adjust for magnetic declination. 64. Hurricanes can generate extreme waves in the triangle. Storm-generated waves can reach heights capable of capsizing large vessels. Sudden surges may surprise even experienced sailors. Hurricanes remain a primary natural hazard in the region. 65. Icebergs are virtually non-existent in the Bermuda Triangle. Unlike the North Atlantic, tropical waters are too warm for ice hazards. Early theories involving icebergs were unfounded. Modern research confirms ice is not a factor. 66. Some small planes have disappeared with no distress signal. Lack of communication complicates search efforts. Pilots may encounter rapid weather changes or equipment failure. Many cases remain officially unresolved. 67. Methane hydrates under the seabed may cause sudden sinkings. Released gas bubbles decrease water density, potentially sinking vessels quickly. This plausible scientific explanation accounts for some mysterious disappearances. Laboratory tests support this hypothesis. 68. Some disappearances involve simultaneous multiple vehicles. Several aircraft or ships have vanished around the same time. Coordinated events fuel speculation about supernatural causes. In reality, coincidental weather events may explain these cases. 69. Some reports include mysterious lights or phenomena. Glowing orbs or flashes in the sky are often sighted. These are likely natural occurrences such as lightning, reflections, or human perception. Such observations reinforce the triangle's mystique. 70. The Bermuda Triangle intersects with heavy air traffic routes. Flights between the U.S., Caribbean, and Bermuda frequently cross the area. Dense air traffic increases the probability of reported incidents. Despite legends, accident rates are not statistically higher than elsewhere. 71. Some investigations link accidents to sudden waterspouts. Tornado-like waterspouts can lift vessels or produce dangerous waves. They occur more often in tropical zones like the Triangle. Waterspouts explain rapid, localized maritime incidents. 72. The Triangle is part of the Atlantic hurricane belt. Hurricanes frequently traverse the area during certain seasons. Intense storms pose significant threats to shipping and aviation. Awareness and forecasting reduce risks but cannot prevent all accidents. 73. Some incidents involve loss of radar contact. Aircraft and ships sometimes disappear from radar screens unexpectedly. Equipment issues or environmental interference may explain these losses. Radar limitations contribute to the region's mystery. 74. Submarine topography includes deep trenches and underwater mountains. The ocean floor features sudden drop-offs and steep slopes. Navigating these areas is challenging for vessels. These features can create dangerous currents and hidden hazards. 75. Many disappearances have logical explanations. Human error, weather, mechanical failure, and navigation mistakes account for most incidents. Scientific investigation often debunks supernatural claims. Rational causes are more common than legend suggests. 76. Some reports involve mysterious fog or low visibility. Rapidly forming fog can disorient pilots and sailors. Poor visibility increases accident risk. Such weather phenomena are common in subtropical maritime regions. 77. The Bermuda Triangle is not officially recognized by government agencies. It is considered a popular culture term rather than a formal geographic area. Official maritime and aviation records track incidents without attributing them to paranormal causes. Scientific studies focus on natural hazards. 78. Some disappearances involve yachts and small recreational boats. Private vessels are vulnerable to sudden weather or navigational errors. Lack of equipment or experience increases risk. Many disappearances involve smaller crafts rather than commercial ships. 79. Search and rescue is complicated by strong currents. Debris may drift far from the sinking site. Recovery efforts are often unsuccessful. Ocean currents explain why wreckage is rarely found. 80. Media coverage amplifies the triangle's mystique. Books, documentaries, and films highlight mysterious stories. Sensationalized reporting often exaggerates facts. Public fascination persists despite scientific explanations. 81. Some disappearances remain completely unexplained. Even with modern investigation, certain ships and aircraft are never found. Lack of evidence leaves speculation open. These unresolved cases maintain the area's mysterious reputation. 82. Rogue waves can appear without warning. Gigantic waves, sometimes over 80 feet high, can strike suddenly. Even large vessels may be overwhelmed. Rogue waves are a scientifically recognized natural hazard. 83. Methane gas eruptions may explain some vanishings. Undersea methane pockets can reduce water density. Ships above may sink quickly without warning. This plausible explanation accounts for calm water disappearances. 84. Some incidents involve sudden electrical failures. Equipment on ships and planes may fail simultaneously. Electrical storms or geomagnetic anomalies could contribute. Instrument failure can lead to accidents in remote areas. 85. Human error remains a major factor. Navigational mistakes, misjudgment, and inexperience often contribute. Most mysterious disappearances have rational causes. Proper training and caution mitigate risks. 86. The Bermuda Triangle is in a busy shipping lane. Frequent traffic increases the likelihood of accidents. Dense maritime and air traffic is a key factor in reported incidents. High exposure helps explain the number of cases. 87. Some lost vessels were recovered far from the last known position. Strong currents can carry wreckage over vast distances. This complicates search and recovery efforts. Misplaced wreckage adds to the mystery. 88. Many legends involve supernatural or paranormal theories. Stories include time warps, alien abductions, and sea monsters. These theories lack scientific support. Popular culture often sensationalizes unexplained events. 89. Hurricanes and storms are the most common natural explanation. Severe weather can sink ships and crash planes. Meteorological data explains many historical incidents. Storms remain the leading rational cause of disappearances. 90. The Bermuda Triangle has no more incidents than other busy regions. Statistical analysis shows the rate of accidents is not extraordinary. High traffic and challenging conditions explain the majority of cases. The mystery is amplified by selective reporting. 91. Some pilots report disorientation over the triangle. Magnetic variation and sudden weather can confuse aircraft. Pilots may lose sense of direction or altitude. Training and modern instruments reduce but do not eliminate this risk. 92. The area includes reefs and shoals that can damage ships. Shallow regions are hazardous to navigation. Groundings and collisions with underwater features account for some losses. Accurate charts are crucial for safety. 93. Some disappearances involve military exercises. Naval maneuvers and classified missions have contributed to reported incidents. Lack of public information creates uncertainty. Military operations may be misattributed to mystery. 94. Search operations are often complicated by deep waters. The triangle includes areas over 20,000 feet deep. Finding wreckage is expensive and technically difficult. Deep ocean makes recovery challenging for missing vessels. 95. Some incidents have been debunked. Investigations reveal misreported dates, locations, or events. Many famous mysteries are based on errors or exaggeration. Critical review reduces the number of truly unexplained cases. 96. Strange lights have been observed by sailors and pilots. Phenomena like ball lightning or distant reflections are likely explanations. Observations contribute to supernatural legends. Optical effects remain a source of fascination. 97. Some incidents are likely due to mechanical or structural failure. Old ships or poorly maintained aircraft are vulnerable. Stress, corrosion, and fatigue can lead to sudden accidents. These failures explain several historical disappearances. 98. Media and literature have reinforced the triangle's fame. Books by authors such as Charles Berlitz popularized the mystery. Documentaries and movies further amplified public interest. Sensationalism often overshadows scientific explanations. 99. Despite legends, the Bermuda Triangle is mostly safe. Modern technology, weather forecasting, and GPS navigation minimize risk. Incidents are rare relative to the volume of traffic. Awareness and preparation are key for safety. 100. The Bermuda Triangle remains a symbol of mystery and intrigue. Even with scientific explanations, the area fascinates people worldwide. It inspires stories, legends, and curiosity about the unknown. The blend of natural hazards, human error, and folklore keeps the myth alive. Storms and technical malfunctions interfere with radar signals. Pilots lose contact with air traffic controllers. Environmental conditions and instrument limitations are key factors.